In this project, we'll explore the phenomenon of buckling and how to analyze it using Abaqus software. The training consists of one lesson and several workshops. In these workshops, we offer step-by-step training on buckling and post-buckling analysis of various structures in Abaqus, including frames, cylindrical shells, and cylinders under external pressure. In the lesson, we explain the concept of buckling, the types of structures where it occurs, and why it's important to evaluate buckling loads using software like Abaqus. Buckling refers to a type of structural instability in which a structural member, subjected to compressive or other forms of loading, undergoes sudden lateral deformation. This deformation can significantly reduce the member's stiffness and drastically lower its load-bearing capacity. Although it may not involve material yielding or a fracture, buckling is considered a failure mode because, beyond this point, the member loses its ability to support further load. Buckling can occur in a variety of structures, including frames and bending members in buildings, columns, and other compression members, and thin-walled shells such as tanks, all posing serious risks to structural integrity. Given its critical importance, buckling load analysis has become a key component of modern structural design. Abaqus has proven to be highly capable in this domain, and numerous recent studies and research papers have utilized it to investigate buckling behavior. In this training package, we begin by explaining what buckling is and how it occurs. Next, we introduce the essential equations used in buckling load analysis. We then walk through a series of hands-on workshops, guiding you step by step through the modeling of buckling and post-buckling behavior in Abaqus and examining the results in detail. These steps include initial modeling in Abaqus, editing the keyword or input files, running the buckling analysis, creating a new model for post-buckling analysis, re-editing the keywords to introduce imperfections, running the post-buckling simulation. To ensure the workshops are practical and meet a range of user needs, we've included several workshops as follows. 2 different frame buckling analyses. 2 cylindrical examples, one subjected to external pressure and another representing a thin-walled hollow cylinder, such as a storage tank. A square column under compression analyzed for buckling behavior in the next workshop. By working through these examples, you'll gain a solid understanding of how to conduct buckling and post-buckling analysis for various structures in Abaqus, and be equipped to apply the same techniques to your own structural models. We also offer a free blog post that covers the buckling phenomenon from A to Z and explains how to analyze it using Abaqus. You can access it through the link in the description. To get access to over 90 minutes of training videos, including the lesson and all workshop tutorials, along with a complete set of Abaqus model files used, simply follow the link in the description to visit our website and explore the full package. We'll soon be sharing some parts of the videos from this package for free on our YouTube channel, so you can watch them. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get notified as soon as the videos are uploaded.